How to mute messages on WhatsApp. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do this. First of all, open the application. So we in this chat section. Here, the person added with you and other people will pop up. Now, simply tap and hold on to the person whom you want to mute. So here I'm tapping on one. So after you do this, here on the right top, you can find this mute button. Tap on mute. Now you can customize the duration and time that you want to mute the person. So here simply select the one and at last hit on OK. So the person has been muted. So after doing this, the notifications won't pop up and you're all set to go. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.